sitting on top and gracefully tending to the same pot for the small